Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I am trying out the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Lip Long Wear Foundation. I've actually heard good things about how this wears. I know there was an issue with how many shades, or their shade range was really odd. But I'm gonna give it a try anyway. Yeah, so it comes in a pretty bottle. Everybody loves this like whole, you pump it and then it falls right into this section. Personally, I don't know if I really like that. I feel like it's gonna look dirty all the time, and I mean, I guess then it's another step for me. I have to now wash it when I'm done. So I don't know if that's really something that I love, just saying. But I'm gonna use it with my Beauty Blender, and we'll do like an all-wear test today and see how it comes out. Okay, so the shade I got is Blend 3.25. Don't know if it's right or not because I always sometimes get the wrong shade, but this, I guess it'll work, so we'll see. There is a little switch on the back that you turn over, and then let's watch this come out, and I feel like it's gonna shoot everywhere. Eee! Wait, was it already on the open? Let me see. No. Oh, it would help if you take the tape off the top. Tape is off. So let's try this again. It's the first try, so here it goes. See, I don't know. It's like getting on the outside. I feel like it's dirty. This is exposed. I don't know. It's just not my favorite. And everybody loves it. Oh, let me put primer on. What should I use? I'll go in with this Estee Lauder Immune. No, you know what? Let me go with my Tarte. I'm running low on it, so I'm like scared to use it all the time because I don't want to waste it. I use it when I go out and stuff. I mean, I'm going out today, but no, it's fun. I must be honest. Okay, so that primer's on. While I'm at it, I'll put my eye primer on. I'll put my eye primer on too. Going with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and anti-aging, because we all know that I need that. Even though my eyes are already aged. It's too late, but they're only gonna get older. So, okay, so I'm gonna go in here and see, I think I put too much. Okay, let's get the hair out of the way and start going in. Now, again, I'm not one to wear like a ridiculous amount of foundation. It's just not what I like to do. I don't know, it's just not me. So, I probably won't be using all that I put on there, which means now I gotta clean that up. I don't know. Like when I do it on my hand, I know you might be saying, well, what's the difference? But I do it on my hand, I kind of do have enough, and if I have a little bit on my hand, like I'll honestly just like rub it into my skin somewhere else. Like I'm not gonna wipe that on my skin. This looks really nice. Huh. It does look really nice though, I have to say, it really does. Okay, I have a little more. I guess I pumped too much. I didn't need to pump as much, but that's all right. Just put some here, even it out. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with you, this looks really nice. The color's perfect for me. I don't feel cakey. Let's read what it says in the back. This weightless, buildable, whipped liquid can be layered from medium to maximum coverage to address both tone and texture. Never dull or greasy. Skin gets that pro artist's velveteen finish that looks perfect, picture perfect, and on screen. IRL. Full coverage, velveteen finish, moisture boosting hyaluronic acid. Oh, that's good to know. Antioxidant rich white birch extract. Okay, good stuff. But I really like the way it looks. I'm not gonna. Why would I lie? I gotta stop saying this just to have it. I have a lot of like sayings that I say that like make no sense, and it's just something I say. Okay, so it looks really good. It really, really looks good. I think I actually picked the right shade. You know, I'm not gonna get into with the shades. They really do need to have more of a certain shade range, but you know, I'm not a makeup expert, so I don't even want to go there, but I'm testing this out, so I'm gonna have to wipe this off here now, which is what bothers me. See, I don't like that. Oh, it wiped okay. I thought it was gonna like stay on there and just be, okay. That's not too big of a deal. Actually, no, it is a little. All right, whatever. Let me do the rest of my makeup, and let's see how this goes. Okay, so the rest of my makeup is on, and I think it looks really nice. Like with everything else, like, you know, the rest of my bronzer, etc., etc. I like it. So the real test is to see how it lasts throughout the day, right? So I'll take you along here and there. We'll check in, and then I will do a check-in at the end of the night. How about that? Sound good? Okay, so I guess I'll see you shortly. Hey guys, checking in, and I gotta say, looking in the mirror, and this foundation's really, really nice, very natural, not cakey. Doesn't look like I have a lot of makeup on. I don't know if you can tell in this camera. I don't see it falling apart anywhere, and it looks really nice. Yes? Mm-hmm. So that's it. And I'll do a quick check-in at the end of the night. So see you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so it's the end of the night. I know things changed behind me. Again, I'm in the process of changing things around in this room. That is very temporary behind me. I'm waiting for a table to come. So that aside, I think that this foundation was really good. It made me look really good all day. Like my face, my skin looked really good. I think I definitely got a good color match. You know, hopefully they'll come out with more, I don't know. But I'm very greasy, but it's the end of the day. You know, it's been a long day. I was moving things around here. I was out and about. But, you know, if I just powder myself, I think I'll be fine. But the foundation itself didn't break up. It still looked really nice. And yeah, I'm looking forward to using this, you know, in the next few days and so on, and adding it to my daily collection. So that's it. Oh, by the way, you could get this at Sephora for $40. Pretty much. So yeah, it's kind of pricey, but it's up there with the other foundations. I don't know. I mean, there's a lot of foundations that are less expensive that are just as good. But if you wanted like a nicer foundation, you don't mind spending the money, then this is definitely worth it. And I really did like it. I felt good about it all day. So that's it. That's my review. I hope you got something out of it. I hope you enjoyed. And please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share. And that's it. I'm gonna go to bed. So have a great day till next time. Okay, so, oh my God, Wilma!